Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Walmart beauty box. People actually have asked me, just because they kind of know what I stand for, you know, like eco-friendly, brands that give back and all of that, like why do I still rep the Walmart box on my channel? There are people out here that can't afford to spoil themselves with subscription boxes. Budget-wise, whatever reason, whatever's going on in life. And this is a box that is just the most affordable box that I have ever found. And you still get that experience. This is seasonal. I believe it's $6.95 now. And it's seasonal. And you can still get that sort of like little present in the mail. Would this be the first box that I select? No, but it's still on my channel just because it's an affordable option and I want to have different price points and different options for everyone so that they can make the right decision for them. So that is why I keep it, even though nobody likes Walmart, okay? Like, does anybody really like their practices as a business? Probably not. This is their spring box. It's very pink. We're not loving that. They give you a bunch of options and they actually give you a survey. And honestly, like, I think this box is the best at using the survey. Shop these favorites, find ingredients at walmart.com. That is another thing. Sometimes they come with some coupons. Obviously, they want you to go back and shop at Walmart, but all these things are usually pretty like good on your wallet and affordable anyways because you can find them at Walmart. So let's see what variation I got. Mine says version 11 on the box, but what is in that version? Already I see that I have a little quad eyeshadow palette, which is $9.98. This literally just paid for my box. I don't even, everything else already paid for my box and more and extra. This is a vegan brand and it looks like it's Leaping Bunny certified. It's CoverGirl and it says clean color, clean fresh. If I can open it. I don't know if this thing is safe to use here, but we're gonna anyway. That's so cute. It has like little cloud imprints. That is so cute. Let's swatch on the back of my hand. One, pretty good pigment. I mean, I don't think CoverGirl ever didn't have good pigment. Let's do, ooh, this one's really sparkly. It's like matte, but still has some shimmer in it. Not picking it up on camera, but really cool. And then this shimmer shade. Love those. Next, I have another brand that I really like, actually, Derma E. It's dermatologist recommended. They're also Leaping Bunny certified. They're also vegan and an eco-friendly brand. Like, they have a lot of eco-friendly packaging. This is their vitamin C concentrated serum with hyaluronic acid. 2 ingredients. I love vitamin C. If you have sensitive skin, you have to be really careful which version you use. I don't have sensitive skin. I never have to think about that, which is, I'm really fortunate, but I know a lot of people do have sensitive skin. So let's look. Purified water and aloe leaf juice, first 2 ingredients. Love that already, putting that aloe there, love that. And then we have glycerin. Glycerin is a hydrator, love that. Then we have our vitamin C right away, and it's sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is like the phosphorus salt of vitamin C, if that makes sense. Like, that's the word right there, sodium, kind of salt, phosphate. It's just how the vitamin C is derived. That particular vitamin C is a little more stable. It's going to last a little bit longer. You don't necessarily need it in like an amber colored glass container and like hide it from the oxygen as much as possible. But I mean, all vitamin C does oxidize, but that one's going to last you a little bit longer. It's also going to be a little less potent, so that's going to help if you have sensitive skin. That's another one that you can try. After that, we have green tea leaf extract, which I love, and then sodium hyaluronate, my favorite form of hyaluronic acid. Then we have some vitamin E, some polymenia, I don't know, some sort of root juice, then rose oil. Really cool. I'm excited to try this. Don't see anything on there that I'm like, I don't want that. And the end says natural fragrance oil instead of listing fragrance, which is nice because there could be a lot of chemicals in fragrance, and legally, because it's fragrance, they don't have to disclose it. Where can we put you? I kind of want to smell you. It's kind of nice. Floral and also really like a fresh scent. This box is a win already. This is probably, actually I will tell you, it is $22.46, but we have this in half an ounce, and the $22.46 is for 2 ounces, despite like $6, little less than $6. The next one is actually a winner for me as well. So 2 winners. The next one's actually a winner for me as well. It is Dove Advanced Care, and it's a little travel size deodorant, and this cucumber scent is like my favorite that Dove makes. This does have aluminum. It has like an aluminum ingredient. So if you are really like, I need all natural, this is not for you. I wish that I could do that. I wish that I could really love natural deodorant, because I do hear some like not great things about using these, but I can't. It stresses me out. I feel like it just stresses me out. So this is an antiperspirant deodorant as well, so I think that makes it a little worse even, but it's 48 hours and this is the one that I get. I travel all the time. It's gonna be nice for me to have that, especially because it's a product I already love. I still have more, and that little mini is, well, it says the full size at 3.8 ounces. So it's probably like $2 because this is $7.48 and then 1 ounce. Kind of trying to divide that $7.48 by like a little less than 4. I'm trying to do math really quickly in my head. I could do it, but it's not that important. We've already way made our money's worth. Next, I have 1 pair of natural germ-fighting skincare, rejuvenating and protecting. It's for under eye and it's collagen and aloe. Also vegan, cruelty-free brand for Fortify. We literally, like, everything so far has been cruelty-free. Now this, I don't understand why my under eye area would need the like germs thing. That's not usually where I get my acne. If I get acne, like, I feel like the bacteria is from touching my face here, my cheeks and my chin and like my mouth. So I don't ever feel like the under eye area is a problem, but there's probably some sort of bacteria there because there's bacteria everywhere. So powered by Zeolite, rejuvenating and protecting. This says made in Korea, so K-Beauty. They're kind of killing it with this box. And last but not least, we have this little sample. Also, I guess I didn't, the full size for that, it's not even listed. Oh, there it is. Full size is 5 pairs for $5, so that would be 1 pair for $1. And then last but not least, we have this little sample type guy, Hydro Boost Water Cream. Fragrance free, instantly delivers 9 times more hydration. Not sure how it's doing that. It says hyaluronic acid, which does absorb up to 1,000 times its own weight in hydration water. So it's a dermatologist recommended hydrator, binds to water and holds it within skin's dynamic barrier. It doesn't tell me which hyaluronic acid does it. Sodium hyaluronate, that's my fave, so we're happy about that. Then it says natural moisturizing factors, including amino acids and electrolytes. Also happy about that. Those help attract water to your skin. And then essential lipids that help soften and smooth your skin's surface. Clinically proven hydration designed for dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin instantly delivers 9 times more versus untreated. 72-hour hydration. Leaves skin feeling plump 2 weeks. Leaves skin feeling resilient 4 weeks. 90% agreed the formula feels weightless and absorbs quickly. I kind of want to put it on right now, but I already have makeup. They kind of get me on those like clinically proven to do these things, but you have to like really read their reports. They do kind of get me with that because I'm a science girl. I'm like, show me the science, show me the proof. And so I think they kind of get me when they say stuff like that. I'm excited based on the ingredients list to try it. I probably won't be buying it, but it also says it comes in a recyclable glass jar. I love that. I know Johnson & Johnson is the parent company for Neutrogena. I don't believe Neutrogena is cruelty free, but you'll see it on screen right now. Is it cruelty free or not? Otherwise, though, the rest of the box was, and I really think the other 4 are winners. What do you think about the box? What is your favorite item? I'm gonna say these shadows. That's gonna be really nice to just like throw in my bag when I'm traveling. That deodorant also really nice to throw in my bag when I'm traveling. Really working out for travel, Jessica, today. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!